How to view achievement in Horatel 1. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out at the achievements. First of all, open the application. Now here, I'm in this home page. Here on the last option, you can see achievements. Simply tap on it. So these are the achievements that you can see. So these are the best timings and other things that are available. So it's according to the difficulty that you play in. So here there are different options that are available, and you can even share the achievements with other friends and people whom you know. So in my context, I have not played any, so it's empty. But if you start playing the game here, it will be recorded and you'll be able to know your best time or best way of winning. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.